All right, guys, what's going on here? Just a quick play recap of. Don't mind this chart. I haven't played this game in quite some time, so chart's a little different, but levels don't really lie here, right? So basically, you have this nice area flat top on the daily here. Realistically, be safe for entry of that 48.84, right? Now, a couple things to notice, when you're looking for day trades, looking for swings, and this is kind of, goes back to the watch list having a nice basket, right? Clearly, you have a couple names in each sector, right? Tech, financials, solar, energy, whatever it may be, right? So now, you're looking through your watch list. So what I notice is MO is showing insane relative strength, right? Whether it's choppy, whether it's, just elevator down. MO is kind of no problem grinding up, right? So caught my eye on the bigger time frames here, and then basically on the daily intraday here, right? So you know, decent volume in the last couple of weeks in general. That 48.75, and I mentioned that prior high at 48.84 level right over here. So really what happened was we had that daily breakout, right? Good volume on the breakout. Um, and, after our break of resistance, we kind of consolidated here. Again, market was terrible. If you traded today, you knew the conditions were awful. Um, so yeah, basically broke resistance, the daily resistance intraday time frame, consolidated above resistance every time we dipped down. Buyer stepped in decent, and then we put in this flag, got a flag breakout, hit our first target here and kind of wicked back down. You do have a gap above here to 49.92. So this is kind of a simple gap and go play. Um, reason I love gap and goes is because I'm a price action level players, and gaps create these price voids where essentially it's thin price action, so it's going to move quickly. Um, you know, and we got that here today. Again, peek at that daily. So you have that 48.75 like flat top I mentioned. Realistically, would like to clear that prior high, add a little bullish not confirmation, but bullish indicator here is a nice gap fill to the upside. If I'm pretty sure MACD. Oh no, MACD's been crossed. Yeah. So daily time frame, right? And then I broke it down to the intraday. We broke that daily level on great volume this morning, and consolidated right above, right into this flag pennant here. And as soon as we had this 1, 2, 3 touch, I bought calls on this support and trend support level. Volume came in, TP hit. These went for 160. Again, real simple, easy, quick breakdown for you. I hope this helps on gap fills. I guess just a tidbit. Gap fills are always going to act as support and resistance, right? So your gap entry um, will act as a resistance, and then the gap fill was act as a resistance. And the same thing coming down. If you're coming down, the gap will act as support. If it breaks, you have to fill, and that will act as support as well. Real quick, this was a simple play, relative strength, bullish pennant over resistance. Love it. Been moving all day despite what SPY has to do. I hope you guys, you know, had some, had a decent play here. All right, take it easy.